NBA YoungBoy, whose real name is Kentrell Gaulden, is a young and influential figure in the world of hip-hop. Hailing from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, he rose to prominence with his raw talent and emotional storytelling. With 4 #1 albums on the Billboard 200 and a top 10 hit on the Billboard Hot 100, his success has been undeniable. He even earned a Grammy nomination for his collaboration on Tyler, the Creator's Wusianami. However, legal issues have plagued the 25-year-old rapper's career. His journey has been a roller coaster, marked by both musical triumphs and courtroom battles. Gaulden's legal woes began long before his recent charges. He had a previous conviction in Louisiana for aggravated assault with a firearm. This conviction would later come back to haunt him as he faced new charges in both Louisiana and Utah. The most serious of these involved a federal gun charge stemming from a 2020 music video shoot in Baton Rouge. This charge, combined with his past conviction, carried significant weight and threatened to derail his promising career. The federal gun charge stemmed from a 2020 incident where Gaulden was present at a music video shoot in Baton Rouge. Authorities discovered firearms at the scene, and as a convicted felon, Gaulden was prohibited from possessing any firearms. This led to a federal indictment and a lengthy legal battle that would see the case transferred to Utah. The transfer came after Gaulden signed a plea and transfer document in August 2023, moving the case to Utah, where he had been residing. The federal gun charge carried a potential sentence of up to 10 years in prison. In February 2025, Gaulden stood before Judge Howard Nielsen to receive his sentence. He was sentenced to 23 months in prison, 5 years of probation, and a $200,000 fine. While less than the maximum sentence, it was still a significant blow to the young artist. The judge emphasized the need for substance abuse treatment and mental health evaluations as part of his probation. In addition to the federal gun charge, Gaulden faced a separate legal battle in Utah related to prescription fraud. He was accused of being involved in a prescription drug ring, facing over 60 felony counts. These charges stemmed from an investigation that began in April 2024, when Utah agents raided his home in Huntsville. The raid was prompted by complaints of Gaulden posing as a doctor to obtain painkillers. The prescription fraud case added another layer of complexity to Gaulden's legal situation. He was held without bond in Weber County Jail since May 2024, further impacting his personal and professional life. He faced additional charges in Weber County, including possession of a firearm by a restricted person and 2 counts of fraudulently obtaining a prescription. The accumulation of charges painted a bleak picture for the young rapper. As part of his plea deal for the prescription fraud case, he agreed to plead guilty to 10 state charges. This agreement resulted in him receiving time served and having to pay a $25,000 fine. Gaulden's legal troubles had a profound impact on his life and career. His time spent incarcerated and embroiled in legal battles undoubtedly took a toll on his mental and emotional well-being. His music career, once on a meteoric rise, faced an uncertain future. Whether he could recapture his momentum after serving his sentence remained to be seen. During his sentencing for the federal gun charge, Gaulden expressed remorse for his actions. He apologized to the court, his family, and his fans, acknowledging the mistakes he had made. "I let my situation get the best of me," he stated. "I take full responsibility." His attorney, Drew Findling, expressed satisfaction with the outcome of the federal case. The future remains uncertain for NBA YoungBoy. He will need to navigate the challenges of probation, substance abuse treatment, and rebuilding his life after prison. Only time will tell how he will emerge from this chapter and what impact it will have on his music and his legacy.